garden one fine day. With my ball I went to play. Come on! Out in the garden one fine day. With my ball I went to play. I bounced it right, I bounced it left, I bounced it well on one fine day. Out in the garden one fine day. With my ball I went to play. I bounced it right, I bounced it left, I bounced it well on one fine day. In the garden one fine day. With my kite I went to play. Out in the garden one fine day. With my kite I went to play. I flew it right, I flew it left, I flew it up on one fine day. Out in the garden one fine day. With my kite I went to play. I rode it right, I flew it left, I flew it high on one fine day. Out in the garden one fine day. With my bicycle I went to play. I rode it right, I rode it left, I rode it well on one fine day. Out in the garden one fine day. With my bicycle I went to play. I rode it right, I rode it left, I rode it well on one fine day. Ha ha! Kids, do you all like the ride? Okay. Hi kids! Story time! Woohoo! Kids, are you all ready? Okay. Let me start the story. Do you know the story name? The story name is Two Sisters. How many sisters? Two sisters. Do you want to see them? In one village, there was a father with his two daughters named Tina and Meena. What are the names? Tina and Meena. They were very poor. Very poor. So, one day, Father, we are very hungry, said Tina and Meena. Father, we are very hungry, said Tina and Meena. Correct. Then father said, yes, I should go out and get some food for us. But I'm very sick. I can't even get up, said the father. They are very poor and father is also not feeling well. Then Tina said, this is Tina, right? Tina said, Meena, you be with father. Meena, you be with father. I'll go out and search some food. Then Meena said, okay Tina, you go and get some food for us. Then Tina went for searching food. Tina was walking like this, like this, like this. Suddenly, she found a big apple tree. Which tree? Apple tree, correct. She found a big apple tree. Then, apple tree called Tina. Tina, come here. Yes, she went there. Girl, I was very thirsty. Girl, I was very thirsty. Can you please give me some water? Then Tina said, no. Why should I give water for you? Should I make my hands dirty? I don't want to make my hands dirty, said the Tina. And she walked. And after some time, then Tina was walking like this, like this, like this. After some distance, she found a cow and a calf in some distance. Then cow called Tina. Tina was walking like this. Tina, can you please release my calf? She was feeling very hungry. I'll give some milk for her. No? Why should I untie her? I will not untie her. Should I make my hands dirty? I'll not untie, said Tina. Then she was walking like this, like this, like this. Suddenly, she found a home. Big home. Then there was a board there. Do good and good will happens to you. What is written on the board? Do good, good will happens to you. We have to do good things and good things will happen to us. So she knocked at the door. Tuck, 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 tuck. Nobody is there in the home. Then she started pushing the door. Tuck, tuck. It was very hard. It was very hard, and she keeping on pushing, pushing, pushing. Boom! There was a big sack, and it fell on her head like this. And she fell down. She got hurt. And she was walking like this, like this, like this, like this, and she came home. And Tina came home. Meena and father, I didn't find any food outside. I got hurt on my head. Then Meena said, okay Tina, you please be with father. I'll go out and get some food for us. What Meena said? Tina, you be with father because father is not feeling well. So Tina and father is at home. Meena went outside for searching some food. So Meena was walking like this, like this, like this. Meena was a good girl. Meena was walking like this, like this, like this. Suddenly she found a big apple tree. Which tree? Apple tree. Big apple tree. Correct. So apple tree called Meena. So, girl, I'm feeling very thirsty. Girl, I'm feeling very thirsty. Can you please give me some water? Then she said, oh sure, I'll give you water. Let me find a well for you. So she was searching for a well like this, like this, like this. Then she found a well. So suddenly she ran to well and she took some water and she gave to apple tree. Which tree? Apple tree. So she said, thank you so much. And she dropped so many apples. Apple tree dropped so many apples. Then Meena collected all the apples and put it in one bag. Thank you so much, apple tree. Then apple said, you're welcome. Do good things like this, okay? Then okay. Meena said bye and walking like this, like this. And Meena was walking like this, like this, like this. Suddenly she found a cow and a calf in a distance. What is the baby name of cow? Correct. It's calf. Baby name of cow is calf. Calf is tight in the distance. So cow called Meena. Girl, my baby is so hungry. My baby calf is very hungry. Can you please untie her? Said the cow. Then Meena said, okay, I'll do that. She suddenly ran near the calf and she removed the belt of calf and she untied the calf. This baby calf ran and came to cow and she drank some milk. Then cow said, thank you so much, Meena. Thank you so much. You did a good job. Please take this bottle of milk, said the cow. The cow gave bottle of milk to Meena. Meena said, thank you, thank you. So Meena was walking like this, like this, like this, like this. Suddenly she found a big home. She found a big home. Then she thought, okay, I will get some food here. Then she saw one board there. Do good, good things will happen to you. What is that? Do good. Repeat with me. Do good, good things will happen to you. Do good, good things will happen to you. So she saw the board. Then she pushed the door. She knocked at the door first. Tuck, 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 tuck. She didn't see. She can't. Nobody is there in the room. So she pushed the door. Suddenly there was an angel. Suddenly there was an angel, a feel good angel. So Meena, come here, said the angel. Meena, come in, said the angel. Meena was so surprised. Meena was so surprised. Do you know my name? Said Meena. Then, yes, I know your name. I know your name. Then, you just come in, said the angel. Meena came inside. This good angel gave a big gift to Meena. You are doing good things. So, take this gift, said the golden angel, fairy angel. Then Meena said, thank you. Then this fairy angel said, do good things like this. She said, I will. I promise that I'll do good things. I promise that I'll do good things. This Meena, see, she was very happy because she got a big gift, so many apples, a bottle full of milk. She got so much food, right? Then she was running with loud delight sound. She was running like this. Tina, father, Tina, father, Tina, father. See, what is there in my hand? What is there with me? I have a big gift. I have so many apples and milk with me. We are no more hungry ever. So they were very happy. Kids, do you know the moral of the story? Do good. Good things will happen to you. Do you know what is that? You have to be good like Meena, not like Tina. Tina gave some water to tree? No. Tina released the baby calf? No. That's right. Bad happened to Tina. So, don't be like Tina. You should be like Meena. Meena is very good girl. Meena gave water for apple tree. Which tree? Apple tree. And she untied the baby calf, and then cow gave some milk to Meena. So after that she got a big gift from fairy. So you also have to be good. Do good and good things will happen to you. Kids, go and tell this story to your father, mother, sister, brother, grandfather, grandmother, to everyone. Okay? Be good like Meena. You should do good things. Okay? Bye. See you all in next class. Ta-da.